to detect and respond to light, gravity, changes of temperature, chemicals, and even touch. Unlike animals, plants do not have nerves and muscles, so they can move very fast.
Plants have trophism. They use trophism, which is a movement that depends on environmental factors like sunlight, water, and gravity. Trophism can be divided into 4 kinds, and these are phototrophism, geotrophism, hydrotrophism, and thigmotrophism.
Phototrophism. The growth of plant parts in response to the light is known as phototrophism. Plants' mechanism move in relation to the sun. The sunflowers is a great example, as it is a highly prototrophic plant. Sunflowers also tend to grow towards the sun, and are also seen tracking the movement of the sun throughout the day. Hydrotrophism. The directed growth of roots in relation to a gradient in moisture is known as hydrotrophism. Hydrotrophism also means the tendency to grow or tend to reach the area with a moisture content, like the movement of the roots towards a high humidity level. This can be seen in cucumber roots.
Gravitophism, also known as geotrophism, is a coordinated process of differential growth by a plant in response to gravity pulling on it. It also occurs in fungi. This gravity can either be artificial gravity or natural gravity. It is a general feature in all higher and many lower plants as well as other organisms. This causes roots to grow downward and stems and leaves to grow upwards. A good example of this is when a potted plant falls down sideways and it is left that way. The plant on the pot does not grow sideways but bends and grows upwards against the gravity. Dimorphism is a directional growth movement which occurs as a mechanosensory response to a touch stimulus. Dimorphism is typically found in twining plants and tendrils. However, plant biologists have also found dimorphic responses in flowering plants and fungi.
The sensory and motor mechanisms of animals are much more active compared to plants. They have a much more advanced neural network, and it allows them to perform tasks and sense their surroundings in real time. Wings. This particular body feature is special to birds. They are used for aerial locomotion, but sometimes can't be used to fly because the body is too heavy for flight. Most birds can fly long durations. Some can fly briefly, like chickens, while some cannot fly at all, like ostriches.
Legs are used for land locomotion, and their number can change the way the animal walks. Bipedal walk upright, while quadrupedal walks all fours. Animals with webbed feet have an increased ability to propel themselves on the surface of water, sometimes underwater. Fins are used for underwater locomotion, used to guide oneself through water, with the tail fin used as the propeller.